on Fox 14.
Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Charlene Patton coming down from Topeka once again from the Kansas Soybean Commission. Welcome back. But the last couple of weeks we've had some pretty tasty treats out there. And the big thing is the theme is getting kids into the kitchen. And they love tasty treats. So that's going to encourage them to come in there regardless. So
exactly.
What have we got this week?
Well, I love this recipe. We need something cool during the summer, don't we?
We do.
And this is a cherry cheesecake parfait. And it's 3 different layers, and I'm going to show you how we do it. The first one is just graham crackers, crumbs. And you can buy the crumbs already made, but you can also just, if you have graham crackers, put some in a Ziploc bag, seal it good, and give the kids a rolling pin and let them make your own.
Yeah.
Because maybe you want to have a little bit more bigger pieces and have a little crunch in there. So we're going to put that. And the other thing I like about this, and you were just saying how you can see the layers, is that if you use a clear glass like this and then let the kids build it, then they'll get to see it. The next layer that we did is cherry jello. It's a 3-ounce box, and I made it just like what the directions said.
Okay.
You can get sugar-free, so that will make it healthier for the kids this summer. But then I went and I have 1 cup of the sweet cherries that are now in the grocery store.
Okay.
Pitted those and then chopped them up and then put them in with the jello so they kind of absorb the flavor of the jello as well. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And we're going to put a layer of that here. Let that, refrigerate again so that you make the gelatin just like what the directions say.
Okay.
And then add your 1 cup of cherries. You can see those cherries in there, can't you?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and then this layer, our white layer here, the cheesecake layer, is 1 8-ounce package of soy cream cheese, and mix that with a little bit of our soy sour cream, and then also some powdered sugar and a little vanilla. Put that in there for our next layer. This will actually make 4 different desserts when you're putting them together, and then start over again to make all those layers. A fun thing that I also did is that I had these little cups, and I thought that's a nice portion size for a child.
Yeah.
And you can make little ones for a dessert to have that make it really fun. And we were talking about all the great reasons kids should be in the kitchen. So go to our website. We have the Thrill of Skill. We're going to post that so that you can link to it. And it starts out it's provided to us by the Home Baking Association. And it starts out at age 2 with all kinds of things that kids can do in the kitchen. And one of the things, guys, we want to remember to encourage kids to do is when they first, what do you think?
That looks really good.
When kids start out, be sure to have them wash their hands, tie their hair back. And we talk about aprons, but it's to protect our clothes. So for kids, that's good. And then also with kids, just reading and math, all ages can help in the kitchen with mom and dad this summer.
Absolutely. All right, Charlene, thanks so much. And of course, we'll have the recipe and all this information on our website at koamnewsnow.com. And they can also go to
kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number 877-KS-SOYBEAN.
All right, Charlene, thanks again. We'll see you again next week with more exciting recipes, and we'll be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.